Alright, chappies and chappessies. Right, so basically what we're going to do today is another how-to video, and we're going to do beep on lock and beep on unlock. At the moment I don't have beep, and basically I have to turn around, and when I'm locking the car in the car park at work or whatever, I click the lock button and then I have to turn around to check to see if my lights are flashing, just to kind of confirm to myself that yeah, it's locked. Ideally I want to be able to press the button and not have to look around at my car as if it's like some you know, some loving glance or something, and just hear it basically and know that it's locked. So basically if you want to put the beep on the lock, then what you want to do is you go to central convenience on your VCDS or whatever other OBD diagnostics you got, and then when it loads up you want to go to coding and coding helper. Come on mate, hurry up. There it is. Right, coding, and then you want to go to long coding helper. Where's the mouse? There it is, long coding helper. And then you want to go to byte 1, and that'll be on byte 0. There's the mouse. There it is, byte 1, and see that there, anti-theft system horn confirmation active. So you want to click that, and then what's it change? 3F. So from 3B to 3F. So you just Control C. There might be an easier way of doing this, but the easy way generally doesn't work for me. So anyway, 3B to 3F. So we're going to delete that. There's delete button, and then put F there. Oh, make sure it's uppercase, and then do it. Coding accepted. Let it boot up. There we go, and then OK. There actually is a disarm, like when you unlock your car, it does a double beep. Basically you've got to go to the same convenience module, so we're already in here, so we might as well do that as well. But this time you go to adaptation number 10, and then you're going to go to channel 63 like that, and then where's the mouse going again? Trying to look at the screen through the phone screen. Right, read, and then new value, it says 168, so you're going to add 4 to 168, which is, because it says here that central lock and opening confirmation, 2 times horn and siren, or horn or siren, traffic light function, selective locking. Right, so you add 4, so 168, 69, 70, 71, 72. So 172 is going to be the new value, 172, and test. There we go. Save. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. And then we're gonna click done and go back, if I can find the cursor. There it is. Done, go back, close controller, like that. Now let me see if I can I might have to get out of the car and do it, but let's just in fact, should we check? Let's give it a check. Oh, we've got to switch off the ignition, so let's do that. Switch ignition off and get out. go. Let's do the unlock. So that worked. Excellent. Let's see what else. Right, brilliant. So it's not a majorly loud beep. Do you know what I mean? It's just the blip blip, but it's enough to kind of hear it as you're kind of walking away from your car. So you probably don't need it unlocking, but you know, I just did it for the sake of doing it. So yeah, that's that. And if you want to see more of these C7 mod videos, you know what to do. Hit the bell notification, hit the like button if you liked it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified when a new one drops. See you later guys, bye.